Lovies, welcome to my channel, and hello if you are new. This will be the last video in my Christmas series, Decorate With Me. We are getting our mobile homestead ready for the holidays, and today I'm going to be finishing up in my living room. I think everything turned out really cute. When the end of the video comes, you'll be able to see what everything looks like lit up. You guys let me know about these green lights. I said this in my other video. I was going to go with white, but I thought green because plants, and I'm not taking my plants down. So they're the only things that I'm unsure of is if I like the green plants. When at night it looks like all my plants are the Grinch because it's like neon green. But that's the only thing I'm unsure of. So I hope that you guys enjoy this Decorate With Me and it gives you some inspiration to decorate your home and your space. Most of this stuff I've had for a long time. Most of it comes from the Dollar Tree or the Goodwill. When I make my wreath for my door this year, which I actually did a basket, I bought that basket like in July at Goodwill for $2, and all of the flowers that went in it are from the Dollar Tree, so I think it cost me like $5 to make it, and it was beautiful. And I love how I pulled everything in together with the red and black buffalo check, and I incorporated some teal into that as well. So I think it pulled everything together. You guys let me know down in the comments. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and like I always say, whether God has blessed you with a mobile home or a mansion, just be grateful for whatever He has given you, and I know He'll bless you with more. Merry Christmas, lovies, and I'll be talking to you in another video soon.
up next to you. We'll be sharing our secrets, making dreams come true. Let's have a toast for the lovers. We'll tumble round in the snow, and my heart's going boom, boom, boom. You're so beautiful. What a night. Can you feel it too? Girl, I won't let you go. Diamond stars when the sky comes alive. Let's have a jolly holiday, holiday. Let's have a jolly holiday, holiday. Yeah. Haven't seen you in so long, though we text every day, and still my feelings are so strong. How I miss your face. Let's have a toast for the lovers. We'll tumble round in the snow, and my heart's going boom, boom, boom. You're so beautiful. Can you feel it too? Girl, I won't let you go. Diamond stars when the sky comes alive. Let's have a jolly holiday, holiday, yeah. Let's have a jolly holiday, 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 yeah. Can't wait another year. Just talking on the phone, I'll make you feel at home. Oh, when I got you by my side. What a night. Oh, girl, I won't let you go. Diamond stars when the sky comes alive. Let's have a jolly holiday, holiday. Let's have a jolly holiday, holiday. Let's have a jolly holiday, jolly holiday. Let's have a jolly holiday, holiday, holiday. Yeah, 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 yeah. Just wanna have a holiday, yeah, yeah. Let's have a jolly holiday.